What's up guys, I'm Anamik and welcome to my channel Anamik Tech Talks, where I post about videos regarding how to make money online. And I have 5 years experience in making money online, and I sell products like video games in order to make money. So I thought I would like to share my my experience with all of you guys and help you make money online. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about how to make at least $100 a day from Google Adsense. As you know, but before I start with this, please don't forget to smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel, because I post videos for about like daily nowadays. So now let's get back to the topic of how to make money from Google AdSense. So the first thing is the first thing before I move on, as you can see on the screen, I'm going to see how much you can make online through Google AdSense, and once you start earning from Google AdSense, it just gets increased as you continue to work on it. Continues to increase as you continue to work on this work on your blog or website. If you have a blog or website, you can easily get AdSense ads on your website, and you can start earning easily as soon as you embed the ads into your website. So how much money can you make blogging? It's pretty easy to make an extra $500 to $2,000 a month blogging in your first year. As you can understand, the blogging has been growing for a long time, and it is a really awesome way to make some money. So Google AdSense can some people are even full-time bloggers, like are making over $200,000 per year and work about 10 to 30 hours a week, which is really awesome. If you can tell me, it is obviously better than 9 to 5 jobs, obviously. And he also posted about the income report that he made over $400,000 with blogging side hustle. Remember, it's a side hustle. Okay, so you can make a lot of money with Google AdSense, but there are also other ad networks like Outbrain, where you'll get a higher CPM rate. Okay, and you can make a lot of money from this too. But I think I'll suggest to go with Google AdSense, because that's easy. It is really now easy to get approved easily. So now the problem is, when you start a website and you post the ad, you will automatically will not get you will not automatically get any traffic, or you won't earn money that easily. So you need to get some traffic to your website, right? So for that purpose, you need to do something, like you need to bring traffic to your website. But how will you bring traffic to your website? There are various ways, like you can add Facebook ads, or like you can run the Facebook ads or Twitter ads or Instagram ads, etc., to bring traffic to your website. And these are the paid ways, but in this process you might lose a lot of money. So I wouldn't recommend it to do it. So I really wouldn't recommend you to do that. So for that purpose, what you have to do is, you have to the first things first, you have to go here, like go to Google and like type sites to guest post. Okay, and you will see there are 150 plus websites to guest post in 2020. And go to this website, and depending upon your niche, you can post about it on these websites, and it really depending upon the niche, obviously. And so as you can see here, these are all the digital marketing blogs available. And it's a Mashable, HubSpot, GetResponse, Social Media Today, Social Media Examiner, Content Marketing Institute, Creative Blog. And these are all this guest posting website. You just have to write articles regarding your content, and then you will just have to put a link back to your website. And these blogs already have a lot of traffic. So when they see it, they will go to your website, and you will get a lot of traffic from it. And since you have AdSense activated already, you'll be able to make a lot of money. Like they're also making like this, like $500 to $2,000 per month. Is just the basic, and you can even make more than that. So it is incredibly awesome. So as I said, it would not be that easy. You have to be consistent, you have to create more content every single day, and you have to work a lot. But at the end of the day, if you start making money, like even if you start making $500 to $2,000 per month just by blogging, it is a really awesome experience, and you'll learn a lot from this experience. So I'd recommend doing that. And I will not recommend you to go for paid ads, because it requires a lot of money and experience to know how to run ads and stuff like that. So in this process you might lose a lot of money. So I don't recommend you to go for that method of monetization. Instead, you can use this, and also you can use social media sites like YouTube, posting about your blog and stuff like that on YouTube, and you can create videos regarding your blog, you can post it there, and you can also share about it on Twitter and Facebook. So in this way you have to slowly build up this user base, and that's how you will succeed. So that's what I wanted to tell. And as you can see, these people are making a lot of money, like $400,000, $150,000. It just takes a few years of hard work. Like you have to regularly do it and consistently do it in order to reach that level. So I hope this video is really helpful for you. If it is, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, because I post videos daily nowadays. And also this is for the disclaimer purpose, is that I won't guarantee you that you will make money by doing this stuff, and there is no guarantee you will make money, but I would like to recommend you to check it out and try it out and see if it works for you. And there is no guarantee it will work for you. So that's what I wanted to say, and I hope this video is really helpful for you. If it is, please like and subscribe to my channel, because I post videos daily. And thanks for watching. See you again in the next video.